Hi everybody, this is Michelle with Creative Operation and Country Craft Creations. I have a shopping haul that I wanted to share with you, and then also I wanted to share with you a sneak peek of a kind of an extra project that I want to make using some of these papers. I've been kind of waiting for the right kind of papers to come along to make this project, and I think you guys are going to be really excited about it. So that will be an extra Country Craft Creations design team project that I'm going to do, and I'll hopefully get that done soon. But I just have all these beautiful things that I just wanted to share with you and show you what I got. Y'all need to run and go get these before they run out because they're so awesome and amazing. So let me start with the New Papers Roll With It by Cabella. This is a super cute cooking collection, and you guys know me, and I love me some recipe books. So I got several of the things that go with this. So I did get the 6x6 paper pad. I'm not going to flip through that because I'll flip through the bigger papers with you, but I did get the 12x12s as well. So I did pick up the 6x6 paper pad, super cute, 24 papers, called Roll With It, just adorable. Put that off to the side. I got the frames and tags that go with it. This is super cute. It has all these little tags and beautiful things, all these cute vintage looking papers with this. I did also pick up the dies to make index tabs, and these are perfect for using in your recipe books or your journals or whatever. So I did pick these up as well. And I love the fact that there's 3 sizes in there too, so you have choices, and they're pretty big. I think the biggest one, the tab across, well, if I can get my ruler right, that's 2.5, and this one is about 2 inches, and this one would be about 1.5 with the little tab that sticks out. So really good size dies for that. So I picked that up. Now let me show you the papers. The papers are so cute. So here's the cover page, and I'll just flip through these really quickly with you. I just absolutely love the cookbooks. Here, let's put that there so you can see. I hope you can see. Let's double check. Yes, you can. These are so cute, just so cute. I like the cut aparts. They're all different sizes, so you can use those. Really cute. The little pot holders, the check pattern, the stripes. I love the vintage colors. There's a wood grain here, more cut aparts, and I like that there's a couple of landscape ones there. And look at this. So on the back here, you have the shopping list here. You could cut these apart and use these separately or use them as a whole. That is a pretty cool paper. We've got the baking essentials. So you got your muffin tins, your rolling pins, your bowls, your measuring spoons, all that stuff. Beautiful patterns on the back. Here's some cakes. Love this. It's going to be a really cute baking type book. 4x4 cut aparts here. Really cute. And here we got pies and cookies and bread. And just look at how pretty these papers are. And I love this. Is this not cute? So all these little cookbook covers, and that's given me a bunch of ideas just right there. Okay, and on the back, a big cookbook page. Super, super fun. Mixing bowl or mixers. Can't use my words. There's the back of that. And then here is the sticker sheet that goes with it. Look at those images. I mean, so cute and so vintage, and that's just right up my alley. So I love this. Now, along with this Roll With It and all the other things that I got to go with it, I did also get the Coordinating Solids paper pack. So you get 6 12x12 papers with this, and they're just gorgeous. So let me flip through those. They match perfectly. You get 2 of each. So you've got the red and the teal. You've got the green, and on the the back of the green, there's a dark brown, and then a lighter brown, and then you have a pink back there. So there's 2 of each of those. So really fun papers. So Roll With It, I got that. And then let's go to this. So I saw these dies for making flowers, and I just had to pick those up. So I got 3 different ones. These are Paper Rose Studio dies, and they're available again at Country Craft Creations. So I'm going to play with using the papers from the collections that I'm using and making flowers, and so we'll be doing that in future tutorials as well. But again, these are at Country Craft Creations, and they are going to make some really beautiful accessories to go with your projects. Then I picked up this Photoplay, and this is the one that I'm really excited because I was waiting for the right papers to come to make a project I'm going to show you after I show you these papers. So this is Photoplay, and this is an absolutely gorgeous collection called Everyday Junk. And you guys know that I do like my junk journaling, and these papers are just beautiful collage type looking papers, and they're just gorgeous. So what I did was I got the single sheets and I picked up 2 of each one. So we have the dictionary page here. These could be cut apart into different pieces and borders and things like that. So really nice. And then on the back of it, you've got this great ledger paper. This one's called Dictionary. Just love that. I love the vintage. This one is called Letter. On the front, it has all these different tags. On the back, you have the striped pattern. This is called Music Notes, so it has obviously the music on the front, and we've got this beautiful collaged piece here. And then on the back, you've got all of these pieces. So you could, if you get 2, like I like to do, you can use it, you know, one side for this and one side for all these cut aparts. And look at all these cut aparts. You could totally use these for all kinds of different things in your junk journal. This one's called Humble, and it has dictionary page here and all the little pieces out here. You could totally trim this up, cut it out, do whatever you want. And then on the back here, you've got this newspaper here, and just beautiful. I love this paper. I also picked up this sheet called Memories, and again, lots of pieces to cut out to make your own ephemera for your junk journals. And then on the back of here, you have this beautiful page with all these pieces, so you could definitely trim this out as well, however you wanted to use it. This is called Archive, and again, more cut apart pieces, so more like journaling cards, 3x3s, and there's a 4x6 here. And then on the back of that, you've got this beautiful paper here. This would make a great background for something. I also picked up the sticker sheet for this. Really beautiful vintage pieces to play with. I love it. So you have some florals here, you have butterflies, you have tags, you have, you know, like the layered things, just really pretty. So I had to have that. I also picked up some Scor sheets, Scor tape sheets in 8.5 by 11, because you always use those in bookbinding. And then I also did pick up the brown felt Artisan cardstock. That's coffee brown felt, I believe it's called. Let me double check. I actually have the paper right here. Yes, it's called coffee brown felt, and it comes in 15 sheets to a pack. So I picked up 2 packs of that. I thought that that color would look really pretty with both collections that I picked up, which I thought correctly, because they really do. Now let me show you really the impetus for why I got this. Now this project, and it's coming up, I will use the Photoplay papers on this to show you, because like I said, I was waiting for the right papers to come. So this is the project I had made for my BFF Jackie. She asked me to create some sort of a beautiful document folder that you could put things like marriage certificates, birth certificates, awards, things like that in, and then you could either file it, and it's nice and compact so you could file it, or you could leave it on your coffee table and have, you know, that to look at. And so I came up with this. She absolutely loved it. This was my kind of prototype, and she loved it. So these are papers I had on my stash, but again, I'm going to be using the Photoplay papers for this. So this is giant. It, like I said, is to hold documents. So it will measure 9 wide by 11.5 tall. And when you open it up, so it looks like this. So again, you could put your documents in here, and I made photo corners so that you could, you know, place your documents in there. And then I'm going to move it here, because then it opens up like this and has these sections here. So it kind of keeps going and going and going. So here is an envelope to put documents or, you know, different things that you want to keep. And then it opens up again, and then you have this area here to put, like, you know, a birth certificate or something like that. And then you have a flap here. There's a big gusseted pocket here, and then you have an envelope here. Okay, and that just kind of folds up. And then this is still the first side, the first left side. Then this opens up, and again, you have a folder here, you have an envelope pocket here, and then this will open up and you have some document space. And then also I did use the envelopes here to create holders for different pieces of information. So then that folds up like so, and then it opens up again, and it kind of mirrors on the other side. So again, another big folder, and you have your document area here, and then this opens up, another document area here, another big pocket. This is a gusseted pocket, envelope here for different things, and then it opens up like this. So I'm going to show you how to make this. It's very simple, but it's really fun because it just kind of keeps going and going and going, and then it folds up nice and compact, so you could actually put it in a file cabinet if you wanted to. So that's what I'm going to use the Photoplay papers, let me get that the right size, for that. And then, yeah, so that's kind of the end of my haul video and kind of what I was thinking and why I bought that. I you know, love making cookbooks, so I know I'm going to make something. I just don't have a design in mind yet with the roll with it, but I do have all of the things so that when I do make it, you guys will be the first to know. And then I also did get the dies, so I love buying dies. These days they work really, really well. They're really easy. I don't have to go to my computer and, you know, program something and do all the things. I can just throw a piece of scrap paper in my cutter machine and just go. And that's what's great with these flowers as well, because I can use the scraps that I have left over, and then I can create flowers to use to decorate. So I love that. So that's the end of my haul. So go to Country Craft Creations at countrycraftcreations.com and grab some papers. These are extra ones that I purchased on my own, but I will come back with a definite tutorial real soon with this one, and I will see you as soon as I can get it done. Okay, all right, thanks for watching and have a great day. Bye-bye.